Do you have one of these, but want this instead? Then this tip is for you. Stick around. So here's my new kettle. I was browsing Spike Brewing's bargain cave and found the perfect brew kettle for me. Well, almost perfect. Had everything I needed. Had obviously the return. Had a port at the top for sparge. I do brew in a bag. Electric. So it had the TC for my element, and that's all I really needed. But it had one thing that I didn't. This guy right here. He's nipple number 5. A good brew kettle should have like 4. Vote for Pedro. Anyway, I don't need a half coupler, so I was just going to plug it because you only thread things in from the outside, and I can't use a thermometer because it ripped the bag. So I got to thinking about my counterflow build, and I'm like, well, hell, why don't I just drill through a compression fitting and thread it on from the outside. So that's what I did. I got this piece of stainless and I drilled through this coupler, so this goes right on through to the other side. Doors. And now I can take it and put it in from the outside. So I don't have to thread anything from the inside. And that bad boy will aim whichever way I want to. I can tighten it up, make it go that way, make it go that way. And then on the outside, because I can't do anything with this, I gotta do something with that, so I'm going just to put another compression with a valve. That'll go that way, and there you go. Maybe if you guys need a Whirlpool port and have a thermometer, this maybe will work for you. And if you're out there shopping for a kettle that's almost perfect, maybe this modification will make it perfect. So there you have it. Cheers.